ready to build customer experiences so smooth, they practically run themselves. Today, we're diving into Agency Flow, your gateway to automating customer journeys and creating powerful interactions, all without writing a single line of code. First, log into your agency account and navigate to the Flow section, typically found in the left-hand menu or on the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click the Create Flow button to start a new workflow. Give your flow a descriptive name, something that clearly identifies its purpose, like new customer onboarding or abandoned card recovery. Now, let's select a trigger. Triggers are events that start your flow. This could be anything from a user subscribing, sending a specific keyword, or even an order status changing. For this example, let's choose new subscriber. Once you've selected your trigger, it's time to add actions. Actions are the steps your flow will take after the trigger is activated. Drag and drop a send message action onto the canvas. Connect a new subscriber trigger to the send message action by clicking and dragging from the trigger's output to the action's input. Now, click on the send message action to configure it. Here, you can write the message you want to send to new subscribers, personalize it by using variables like the subscriber's name or other relevant information. You can also add delays, conditions, or even integrate with external services using other action types. To make your flow dynamic, use conditions. For instance, add a condition action and connect it after the send message action. This allows you to branch your flow based on user responses. For example, did they click a link in the message? Did they reply with a certain keyword? You can send different messages based on their actions. Test your flow thoroughly using the preview feature to ensure everything works as expected. This is crucial to avoid any unexpected behavior. Once you're happy, activate your flow. Congratulations, you've just automated a customer journey using Agency Flow.